Welcome! I'm Susan Mouton, a Plasma Fibroblast Specialist, tutor, and author. I'm new to this training platform, so thanks for your patience. I've been in this field for many years, and in that time, I've written and compiled the 6-series ROSASS in-depth Plasma Fibroblast training manuals. That didn't happen overnight. It took years of research, trial and error, and non-stop learning. I've performed hundreds of treatments, worked with clients from all walks of life, and seen firsthand how powerful this technique can be. Listen to just one of my many great reviews.
My nail technician, I have to tell you this, she was super amazed because she hadn't seen me from the weekend before my treatment that you done, and she only saw me yesterday. And she was amazed at the difference. She couldn't believe it.
Now let me tell you, when I first started, I was completely overwhelmed. I had just completed a so-called 2-day basic training and was left entirely on my own. I had no idea where to even begin. My head was spinning with questions. What if I scarred someone? What if I messed up? Does this really work? What if the client isn't happy with the results? And what about pitting, scarring, and pigmentation issues? All these questions, and so many more, scared the living daylights out of me. I realized that I wasn't at all prepared for what lay ahead. I knew that if I was struggling, surely other technicians were facing the same challenges. That's when I decided to do something about it. Advanced training wasn't an option for me at that time. It was far too expensive, so I had to figure things out on my own. It wasn't always easy. It took me years of research and hands-on experience to create and publish my training manuals, which are now helping technicians all over the world. These manuals are specifically designed to fill the gaps that most plasma fibroblast training programs don't cover.
I think what you have done is huge, and I'm excited about everything that you have done. You have done more so for this industry than...
And that's why, in addition, I created these online courses, Learn It All. To tell you the truth, there is no way you can learn everything about plasma fibroblast in just 2 days of basic training.
Right, because she doesn't give the good, thorough training that we all need, because that is the reason why there is not a lot of successful people in this business.
My goal is to uplift the overall standard in this industry by giving you everything you need to do it safely, confidently, and effectively, ensuring happy returning clients. My mission is to make quality training more accessible and affordable to help you avoid the struggles. These courses follow Bloom's taxonomy framework, meaning you'll progress from basic understanding to hands-on expertise in a confident, logical, and structured way. This training is designed for people like us, making it easy to understand and follow step by step. And the best part is completely free, so you can experience my training style and test the waters before committing to the full course. No strings attached. Each module consists of 4 lectures, designed to be short, clear, and practical. Here's what you'll get. Visual learning experience. Gain in-depth knowledge and practical skills through engaging educational videos that explain, demonstrate, and guide you. Voice narrations. Clear explanations to support your learning. Downloadable PDFs study anytime, anywhere. Worksheets and quizzes. Test your knowledge and track your progress. This isn't just another quick training course slapped together with a few explanations and some mapping. This is an in-depth course designed to ensure you're on the right track from day one. It also includes all the documentation and tools you need to perform plasma fibroblast successfully. If you're serious about becoming a successful plasma fibroblast technician, I've done the heavy lifting for you. With the right training, knowledge, and practice, you can turn this into a lucrative career with happy, returning clients. If I can succeed in this field, so can you. Be kind to yourself, trust your abilities, and let's work together to raise the standards of plasma fibroblast. Please consider supporting the channel. Your contributions keep me going. Check out my in-depth Plasma Fibroblast Study Manual Book 6. This ebook is packed with detailed guidance you'll be able to reference anytime throughout your practice. Link in the post description. Thank you so much for your support. It truly means everything. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button.